So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to make stream graph in Power BI. So the stream graph is similar to the stack area chart, which is an inbuilt visual in Power BI, but it has more of fluid look and it has more feel to it. This visual can be used to display data that changes across the time. So for this tutorial, I will be working with this online retail dataset. It has columns like order date, category, sales, quantity, profit, and subcategory. Let's see, we want to find out how my category and quantity changes over the years. So for this, I will go to dashboard pane. First of all, the stream graph is not an inbuilt visual, so we have to import it. So in order to import it, go to visualization pane, click on this three dot, click on get more visual. Now over here, search for stream graph. The first one you can just click on add and it will get added into your visualization pane. I have over here. Just double click on this. So it will get added into your Power BI report. Just make it slightly bigger. Now in the category field, I will put order date and I will select the hierarchy. Now in the group, I will put category and in the values, I will put quantity since I want to see how my category and quantity changes over the years. So as you guys can see, on the x-axis I have years and on the y-axis I have quantity, and these are my three categories. So the reddish one is technology, the blackish one is office supplies, and the furniture is slightly green thing. So in this way one can make stream graph in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.